motion is coming from Right Honorable Barrister Kwamoti B. Laori.
My name is Kwamoti Bitrus Laori. I speak for the people of Jamsa Numan Lamode Federal Constituency. Mr. Speaker, I have a matter of urgent public importance. This matter is on the need to investigate the directive given by the police on the e-central motor registration and the short time given for compliance, and why this decision is coming at this time, given the volatile nature of things we are in now. So this matter is urgent, and we need to, it needs to be taken. In this respect, I apply that relevant rules be suspended for this matter to be considered urgent and taken now.
Representing the good people of Iwo Ayedire Federal Constituency, I rise up this morning to second the motion, ably moved by my colleagues. I so second, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, this is a matter of urgent public importance on the need to investigate the enforcement of electronic central motor registration certificate by the Nigerian Police. The House notes that Part 2, Section 3 to 6 of the Nigerian Police Act 2020 deals with the establishment, composition, and duties of the Nigerian Police Force, and such duties did not include revenue generation, whether expressly or impliedly. Also note that while the National Identity Management Commission, National Information and Technology Development Agency, Nigerian Immigration Services collects biodata of Nigerians for various purposes, including national planning and national security, the Federal Road Safety Corps and the vehicle inspection offices across the states, include FCT, are the agencies whose function include vehicle registration, licensing, and driver's licensing. Aware that the Federal Capital Territory Road Transport Regulation of 2005 explicitly provides for registration identification marks of vehicles, licenses for vehicles, special trade license, operational license, driver's license, and FCT driver permit, etc. Similarly to the Lagos State Transport Sector Reforms Law 2018. None of the regulations mandate the Nigerian Police Force to issue any central motor registration certificate, either manually or electronically on its behalf to vehicle owners. Also aware that though Section 14 of the Federal Highway Act 1971 permits the Nigerian Police to obtain the name, address of vehicles owners upon suspicion of offense committed. It is only for the purpose of investigation, and that doesn't confer on the Nigerian Police the authority to issue any central motor registration information system certificate. Concerned that the development and hosting of the website and the directing vehicles owners to fill a form and pay the sum of 5,375,000 naira to obtain an electronic central motor registration certificate, accompanied with a threat to commence enforcement by the 29th of July, amounts to gross abuse of power capable of inflicting more pain and burdens on Nigerians. Worried that with the mounting opposition from the Nigerian Bar Association, civil society organization, section of the Nigerian media, and current level of hardship that many Nigerians are exposed to due to scarcity and increase in the pump price of petroleum product, increase in electricity tariff, general commodity price inflation that has made life unbearable, introducing any form of fee, however well-intentioned, may further worsen the economic frustration and is capable of fueling civil disobedience and unrest in the country. Further worried that following the ultimatum issued by the Nigerian Police Force for the enforcement of the e-central motor e-CMR, many Nigerians have been agitated, describing the scheme as insensitive and outright illegality that must be stopped forthwith, and the Nigerian People's Parliament that we are cannot afford to be indifferent. Hence, urge the House to resolve to direct the Inspector General of Police to suspend the scheme forthwith, ensure that the website used for the registration to escalate the negative public reaction generated. 2, mandate the House Committee on Police Affairs to investigate the expediency of such ill-timed scheme, given its tendency to threaten the fragile peace, law and order in the country. I so move, Mr. Speaker.
Those in support of this motion should say aye. Those against should say nay. The ayes have it.